In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Garmin trip planner found in the dezl 760lmt trucking GPS. To access it, we're going to go through our apps or applications right there, and then we're going to take these 3 pins here and just touch them, and this is our trip planner. So I do have one trip already saved in there, but let's create a new one. So we're going to hit new trip at the bottom. First thing we need to do is select a start location. So let's select a start location. We have quite a few options from where I am now, truck down services, towing and so on, new tires, and then we got address, categories saved, recently found, favorite searches, intersections, coordinates, and browse map. So I'm going to show you how to use a few of these options to add points to your route. So to add our start point, let's do where I am now. So we'll just touch where am I? And then we're going to select because that's our current location. Now we need to add a new point. We're going to hit the plus sign, not next. The plus in the top corner there. Now let's do truck down services. So our first stop is for some repair, let's say. And we're going to just go down the street to Finning. And that point's correct, so we'll select it. Now we got a start and an end point. Let's add a bunch of more points to it. So let's go add. Now let's try address. I'm just going to randomly make up an address. I'm typing upside down, so it's a little slower. So we'll say this one works here. So it's going to take us there in Cowley. So that's fine. We'll hit select. So now we got 3 points. Now let's use the map to add a point. So we'll go add down to the bottom here. Browse. Let's zoom out using the minus. And now let's just add a point in around there. So we're going to zoom in. Let's add it closer to the city here. We'll try there. That's good enough for this example, so we'll hit select. So let's add one more point. I'm going to go through, let's try recents. And we'll do Big T's barbecue. That works. We'll hit select. So now that we've added all the destinations to our route, let's go to the next step. So we'll hit next. We could also delete by using the delete button. Let's just go back. So we got a delete button so we could delete different points and so on. And we could even change the order manually. We'll just put our finger on there and drag. But let's save this. We're going to call this query. Now it's calculating the route. Here's a route summary. It's going to tell us the distance and the time between each stop. Has our total driving time, total distance, and then the mode that we're in too, truck mode. So we could hit go or hit map. So let's hit map so we could see on the map how the route looks. It takes a few seconds for the map to come up because it's got to plot everything for you. So we'll just be patient and wait. Okay, so here's the entire route. If we hit those 3 bars, we could review the trip. So here's a kind of a review of the trip, total distance, time, and so on. So let's go back, and then we'll go back. We could actually hit the 3 bars on this screen and do a bunch more. We can edit, delete the trip, rename it, optimize the order. We could change our transportation mode to car or pedestrian if we want. And we could change our route preferences from fastest time and the shortest distance and so on. So let's try optimize order. So the route is already optimized. That's why it went right back to the screen without doing anything. So that's good. Now we can edit the destinations through this screen here. Just put your finger on the point you want to move and just kind of drag it. Like that. So that's how you create a trip, also known as a route, in a Garmin dezl 760lmt trucking GPS, which is available from GPS City.